Sleeping Butterfly is a wonderful restorative hip opener and even heart opener. Let's see how to set it up. Start with a blanket, a bolster, and 2 blocks. We'll position the blocks, one on the top height, one on the second height, either lengthwise or horizontal, just a couple inches away from that tall block. And then placing the big bolster on the floor first and lay it over the middle and then the tall block. Keep it nice and steady. And then take your blanket and we will open the blanket to the half fold. Laying it down, fold it in half again lengthwise, and then roll it up like a skinny string bean. We'll use this to support the knees in case there's any knee strain as we are reclined in Supta Baddha Konasana, or as we call it, Sleeping Butterfly. Putting the soles of the feet together, scoot the hips back right to the edge of the bolster. Now place the rolled up blanket over the ankles and tuck it underneath of the shins. Place the hands on the bolster and tuck the tailbone underneath to create more space in the lower back before laying back on the bolster. Use your hands to pull the blanket snug so that the feet come even closer to the hips. And give yourself a hug to open up the upper back and laying the arms out to the side. And for a nice surprise for your students, you may want to place eye pillows in their hands to ground them. Now let's see this pose using a strap. So starting with a long strap, already looped, scoot back in a similar fashion, and then we'll take the strap over the head and around the lower back, and then placing the strap over the feet and underneath of them. And then we'll tighten that strap, ensure that the strap length is pulling back towards you. Tighten it up, and then lower that strap one more time onto the sacrum so it's not digging into the lower back. Here we go, tuck the tailbone underneath and laying back on the bolster. The strap is still there within arm's length, so as the hips open, you can always reach down and tighten it up a little bit more. And stay here as long as you wish, and then when you're ready to come out, you can loosen up the strap enough to slide a foot on top of the other one and then out of the strap. Slide the other foot out and then rest the legs here in this position. Great work!